Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to quickly and easily deposit money to the BitYard exchange. If you want to create an account, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to exactly this page right here. And as you can see, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees for the first 30 days. So feel free to use the link, then you'll get to this page right here. You can type in your details here and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this right here. And now I want to show you how you can deposit cryptocurrency. So if you already have cryptocurrencies, you can simply send them here to the exchange. Just go up here to assets and click on deposit. Then you will get to this page. Here you can choose the coin that you want to deposit. Let's just check out Bitcoin, for example. Now here on the right side, you can choose the network. In this case, let's just check out the normal Bitcoin network. And here you have the address. You can copy that to your clipboard and send Bitcoin to the address. And then you will have it right here on your account. Of course, this works for any cryptocurrency. As you can see right here, there are many of different options that you can choose from. Let's choose USDT in this case. Here we can also choose, for example, the TRC20 network, which I often like to use because you have lower fees. Here you get the address that you can deposit the money to, just copy it and send it here. If you scroll down a little bit here, we can also see my deposit that I've made. I used the Tron network. Here was my address. Here I can see the amount, and then it was within like a few minutes, it was already here. All right, so next I want to show you how you can also deposit with fiat money. So with US dollar, British pound, or euro. So if you want to deposit with a fiat currency, you simply go up here and click on buy crypto. And now here you can choose what currency you want to use. So here you can choose, for example, the US dollar, you can choose the Swiss franc, you can choose euro, British pound, whatever currency you want. In this case, let's go, for example, for the US dollar. And here you can choose the currency that you want to receive on the platform. So you can, of course, use US dollar tether if you want to trade with it, for example, here. Or you can also, if you can find the currency that you want here, you can also choose it from here. For example, if you want to choose directly, just like, let's say, Bitcoin, you can just simply check it out here, select it, and then you can choose, of course, how much you want to pay. Let's say you want to deposit, let's say like $500. You will see how much you will receive. And down here, you will see the different third-party options that you can use. You can see how much time it takes and what payment methods they offer. So let's say, for example, you want to use, let's say here, this first one. Just click on buy now. And then you will be redirected to this platform here. You can choose which payment method you want to use. For example, the card payment, you can use Google Pay. Here you can obviously see what different payment methods are optionable. So in this case, let's choose the Bitcoin, and then you can just click on buy now, and then you will have to enter your card details, and then you can just follow the process and you will have the money within like a few minutes up here. All right, so once you have deposited money here, you can always check that, of course, if you go up here to your assets and click on my assets, and then we can see right here in the spot market that we have received the money that you have deposited. Don't forget to create an account by using the link down from the video description to get the 10% discount on all trading fees. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.